Hey guys, welcome back to My Colourful Country Life. In today's video, I will be sharing 6 stunning red colour combinations with you all, and this is our next installment in our Neocolor 2 colour combination series. There is a playlist for all of the Neocolor 2 colour combination videos up on my channel. You will find the link to that in the video description. So if you are watching this at a later date, you can click the link down below and see all of the combination videos all in one place. And if you are new to Neocolor 2s or you would like to have a bit of a refresher on how to use them, I do have a beginner-friendly tutorial that takes you step by step through how I use these crayons, and that is also linked down below in the video description. You'll also find links to download today's red combination worksheet, a blank version of this sheet as well as my full swatch chart for the 84 set, and also my conversion chart from Neocolor 2s to Prismacolor pencils as well. So today I'm using colors from the full 84 set and swatching the combinations just on some cardstock here. And to activate the crayons, I am using my favorite trusty Arteza water brush. There is a link to this in my Amazon storefront down below as well. It comes in a set of 6, and this is my favorite size here that I always use. I also have a microfiber cloth on hand here to make sure my brush stays nice and clean so I don't muddy up any of those colors. And as usual, I'm going to be activating my colors from light to dark and wiping the brush off in between just so the blends stay clean and smooth. Now, I am only doing 1 layer today, but I do recommend doing 2 layers, which will give you a lovely, vibrant finish. So let's zoom in and get started. Our first combination today features crimson alizarin hue, scarlet, vermilion, fast orange, and golden yellow. This combination just bursts with energy. It is perfect for fire effects and sunsets or even glowing magical scenes. It has a bold red core that fades into golden light, making it fantastic for light source transitions or burning skies. Next up we have a deeper, moodier blend using burnt sienna, crimson alizarin hue, carmine and pink. This one feels rich and romantic, great for mystical florals, vintage backgrounds, or even fantasy creatures. The pink softens the intensity and gives a nice smooth finish. Following that, we have English red, light cadmium red, vermilion, and salmon pink. This combination blends beautifully and would be perfect for things such as brick buildings, rustic cottages, or warm background gradients. It just has a timeless, aged charm while still feeling nice and vibrant. This next combination includes carmine, ruby red, pink and salmon pink. This is your go-to combination for romantic florals, Valentine's Day pages, or even candy-themed illustrations. It's soft but saturated and creates a gentle transition through the warm pink tones. And now we have a bold red-orange gradient from scarlet to light cadmium red, vermilion, and then apricot. It has a bit of a zesty feel, great for fruit pages, spicy autumn leaves, or even some flame-kissed details. It's energetic, it's clean, and it has a vivid impact. And finally, we have a glowing orange-red blend with vermilion, flame red, salmon, and flesh. This one is soft and luminous, perfect for sun-filled backgrounds, light sources, florals, wings and scales, and basically anything that glows. It transitions beautifully from vibrant to delicate, adding that magical warmth to a page. Okay guys, there are 6 beautiful red combinations. Now, of course, I have an example in my colouring books to show you, and of course, again, it is Kirby Roseanne's Mythic World, and it's going to be this top combination here, which is the one I used on this page. Now, I did use black on the edges to make it a little bit darker, but otherwise it is the exact same combination. And I think I've mentioned it in a different video that all these pages are colour alongs up on the channel. So if you search for my Mythic World playlist, you will find every single page I've coloured in this book, and so many of them use Neocolor 2s. I used it so often throughout this book. So hopefully that gives you some inspiration for your next colouring pages. If you'd like to swatch along with me or save these combinations, everything I have used today is linked in the description down below, including the red combination worksheet, a blank version, my swatch chart, and also my conversion chart. And if you do end up using any of these combinations in your colouring pages, I'd absolutely love to see them. Please tag me on Facebook or Instagram so I can check out your pages as well. If you've been enjoying this series, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you again very soon for another colour combination video. Take care, happy colouring, and bye for now.